Hello, hi everyone. Today we are starting like looker. Okay, so basically start से end तक आपको looker पढ़ाने वाला हूँ. मुझे near about 5.6 years of experience है और उसमें मुझे looker में जो है वो near about 4 experience है. So mostly मैंने फार्मा एंड रिटेल इस डोमेन में मोस्टली मैंने काम किया है. तो चलो आज का टॉपिक हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं. तो हम लोग बेसिकली बहुत ही बेसिक से स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं लुकर को. तो प्लीज एवरीवन वॉच एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. ओके, सो आप लोग मुझसे जुड़े रहेंगे कि क्या एग्जैक्टली हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा है, इसलिए ठीक है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द लुकर. सो लुकर जब भी आप ओपन करते हो या whenever you open the looker, so screen is look like this. Okay, so screen is look like this and this is the main platform of the looker. Okay, you can say this is the symbol of the looker. So actually the looker is like looker को बनाया ही गूगल ने. Okay, and this is the BI tool. We can say that we can use the modeling here. Okay, so यहाँ पे आपको एक्सप्लोर दिख रहा होगा. एक्सप्लोर, डेवलप, एडमिन, होम, रिसेंटली व्यू, फेवरेट, बोर्ड्स, फोल्डर. सो ये सब चीज़ें हम लोग बाद में हम लोग देखने ही वाले. और नीचे आपको यहाँ पे एक ऑप्शन दिख रहा है डेवलपमेंट. सो वी कैन लाइक इफ दिस इज द प्रोडक्शन मोड. ओके, सो दिस इज नॉट इनेबल, इट मीन्स दैट इट इज अ प्रोडक्शन मोड. सपोज इफ यू enable. Okay, so it will be moved into the development mode. So whenever changes or done any like, type of development, so enable this toggle. Okay, button. Okay, we can say that. Main thing is like what is the explorer. Okay, and how can like what is the view, what is the dimensions, measures. So these things can cover today. Okay, so explorer like nothing but like we are creating like we have suppose we have created one table. So we can in the data model file or model file, so we can see that into the next video. So data in the data model file, so we are creating an explorer, so that explorer is shown here. Okay, so currently I am clicking on the events explorer. Okay, so this is today we are just learning or teaching something like what is the dimension, what is the measure. So these are the basic things, and we are like we have to familiar with this looker environment. So these are the these are the like look like this way. Okay, so here we can like we can create our visualization, we can see our results. Okay, sorry, we can see our result here, we can see the sequel here. Okay, here we can apply the filter. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, so let's see. Suppose I have the users. Okay, and let's take his email. Okay, and email and his let's see email and the country. Okay, and his age also. Okay, so and let's run this code. So by default it will take maybe text table. Okay, so let's check what exactly the it look like. Okay, so it's take the map, or we can say map because we are taking the country here. So it's because of that. So it take the map. So let me remove this country here from here, and let's see what exactly they will show. Okay, let's take table. See, this is the result, or this is the visualization. So we can like suppose if you want to filter out the email, so we can just click here. There is an option called filter by field. So we can like filter out and see this is the email uh, email option is showing here. Okay, So here it is the equal to, or we can like choose anything what exactly we have to equal to. And suppose we have to filter out the around something, correct? So around dir. Okay, so let's see, this is the one, and let's run this first. Okay, so we can like once or like we learn all the things, so we can explore this thing more. Okay, see, only the iron data will be shown. So let's see the SQL for this. So see, this is the SQL. Okay, okay, so the email is comes from the users like way, and they are alive as username, and the which table they are taking from the event table, and they are given name as the events like this, and they are using the left join here. Okay, so this way they are doing this thing. Okay, so let me explain, and let me go to the LookML here. Okay, and I will explain you the what exactly the uh, what is the dimension, what is the measure. So I will explain that thing also. Okay, so takes time because it's totally model file, like as we discussed earlier. So this is the model files, and this is the explorer called event. So I I whatever the visualization I created, that I created on the events, correct? So here we can see that visualization I'm talking about. So the explorer, and this is the see, so event is the explorer, correct? So we have to suppose if you want to create any explorer, so we have to use the explorer keywords with the table name or something like whatever the explorer can do that. So inside that they are using the journal all things. Suppose if we are not using these things, so they are directly taken the event as an explorer. Okay, so okay, so let me go to the views. These are the views here. Okay, and okay, and talking about the model files, like okay, let me explain the model file one more again. So this is the connection, this is the connection. Okay, and here that connection is the BigQuery connection, correct? So that's why it's given as a, and include is like include is the keyword where we can like put the what exactly we require. So we require the dashboards, we require the view language, like you are like say hash studio.h, like this way. Okay, so will look like. Okay, and these are the explore. Let me go to the views. So in views, like, so see, the views are the like we can say that the forget about this thing. Okay, so like see the dimension or dimension of the latitude. Okay, so latitude is the dimension. Okay, what is the type of this number? So where it is come from? SQL table dot latitude. A table is nothing but a this distribution center. See, this is the name, correct? We are given here, so we are using that name. Yeah. So we can also put the distribution underscore centers dot latitude. We can write this way also. Okay. And what is the measures? Measure is nothing but the we can say that where we can perform the aggregation on that thing. So we can call it as a measure. Measures like in Hindi we can say that जिस पे हम लोग कुछ ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं मैथ का plus minus mean max something like that. So we can call it as a measure. And the dimension is nothing but a like we can say that the any person name, city name, country name. This way we can say that that is dimension. Okay, so yeah, these are the things in the looker. These are the dimension, these are the measures. So and these are the others view. एंड चलो गैस फिर इतना ही था आज की वीडियो में. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं. बाय. प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब और लाइक कर देना.